Happy Saturday, everyone. No car shows today, just busy. Bringing in the powder coating, everything that was powder coated in to be put on the car. And we're at the Nitro Cool Ranch. And he's got a wheel off over there. Let's see what's going on over there. Okay. Okay, stand by.
Wow, that
Well, there's
yellow
powder
undercarriage.
coating's back.
Alright, against the white
cool.
car. And everybody's done the yellow against the black car.
Well, there's the. Sean, grab that side.
A few of the guys have done
There's the ladder bars. That looks bitchin'.
a few of the guys have done red against, you know. It's usually in lowered cars. And you can't see what they did.
Carl, just out of curiosity, what did they charge you to powder coat on?
600.
That's blasting and coating?
That's blasting everything. They do my wheels, so I mean,
Powder coating's gotten expensive. Huh?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, that's right. Well, he has an in though because he already has a volume discount.
yeah, they do
Something
my
else he's
wheels.
doing.
I have them do my wheels, my Hyundai wheels.
You gotta tell him what those are.
What's that?
How they all went bad or whatever.
Well, yeah, Hyundai has a 100% bumper warranty on any problem, right? So people come in, the clear coat on the wheels was peeling off. So they would just replace all the wheels and throw them in the scrapyard. Then we get them. And the only thing wrong with them is that, in fact, they put them in their old boxes that the new ones come in, and that's the only thing wrong with it is the clear coat. So I have them chemically dipped and refinished, and then I can do any color they want, but I do the stock colors. And I got a set now of the black for the G90s and the G80s. But in the past, they've been selling real good, but over the last couple of months, it's been dead. Everything's been dead since gas prices have been going through the roof. But there's the...
People can't even afford to fill up a gas tank without the extra shit.
My truck to fill it up used to be $68. For a year, it was $68. Now I put 100 in, it's only 3/4 of the tank. Yes, good. Some close-ups. It came out real nice. There's a Curry logo.
See all the barbs and brackets and everything looks less now. It looked like a great big porcupine and now it just kind
Yeah, no, it looks totally functional.
Yeah, can't wait. See it driving under its own power.
No kidding. No, that's why I got back. I got to order up some aluminum blower, the blower bolts that they want to put on, because if a blower pops, you want that to pop and not your
You don't have a
burst plot panel.
well,